Okay, so you want to hide a checkbox until another checkbox is checked. I'm going to show you how to do this. There's a couple of tricks we need to do in conditional formatting and formatting in general. So the idea is I click in A2, A3 in the A column, and then and only then do I want to see the checkbox in the B column. We're going to have to do a couple of things. First off, let's select the B column and go up to Format. We're going to go to Conditional Formatting. Over here on the right, we're going to see that our apply to range is B1 to B14. I'm going to change this to B2:B, just in case you want to add other things, other rows. And I'm going to change my format rules to Custom Formula Is. What you might have already done is that it's like text contains, is text exactly. We need Custom Formula Is. I'll show you why. We're going to do A2. Now, why is it A2? Is because we have changed our range to B2 to B. If it was B to B, then it would be A. And why are we looking in the A column? It's because that's what we want to track is that checked or not checked. So I'm going to do B2:B. I'm going to do A equals A2 is equal to true. And over here on the left side, you can see that we're sort of on our path. We have checked these few. We see that it's green, but we don't want it to be green. What we want to do is fill color white, and the text, I'm going to change it to this sort of not exactly all black, dark gray 3. Okay, it's a little grayer than I thought. Okay, gray, dark gray 4. It's okay. We'll figure this out. This might be very particular to your particular case. Actually, I'm going to change it to all black. That's what we'll do here. So what's going on, and you can see a little bit of a hint here that these 3 are actually formatted correctly. But what we want to do now is the second trick. So that was the first trick, the A2, looking from the B column. I'm going to hit done. But in the B column, I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to change the text to white. And now when I the checkbox in the B column shows up. Isn't that cool? And it totally works. Funny enough, it actually works in the other column as well when it's not visible, and it'll say you've clicked on a checkbox that's not visible. Toggle anyway. When I hit cancel, the very first time I did this, when I changed this to both the text and the background are the same color, it did give me are you sure you want to do this? Yeah, we're sure. Thanks for asking, but there you go. That's how you have a hidden checkbox until the checkbox is checked.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have 2 options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.